Hello guys, welcome back to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the tri-state or the three-state devices. Generally we know only two states in the digital circuits, that is nothing but the logic low and logic high. So the states are what we know till date are logic low, logic high, but there is also a third state which is known to be high impedance state or state Z. So logic low can be written as 0 level, logic high can be written as 1, and high impedance that can be written as Z state. So it is giving high impedance at the output. That's why there are devices which are called as tri-state devices. Why? Because they are giving us three output states which are different to each other. Now how this circuit works and what are these advantages for the tri-state devices, let us see with a small example in this 5 minutes. So here I have drawn a inverter circuit, okay, with the help of two transistors Q1 and Q2, where Q1 is acting as a pull-up transistor since it is connected to plus VCC, and Q2 which is connected to pull-down transistor which is connected to ground. Both the transistors are NPN transistor to which base input is common, which is going through a circuit to which one of the end is going to the input and the another end is called as the output enable pin. So this is output enable, OE. So how this circuit works, see one by one. If say that input is low, that is nothing but logic low input. So due to the circuit inside these blocks, that is nothing but the tri-state circuit having OE, that is nothing but output enable, which is OE directly connected. So I am enabling this to 1. Okay, if this is enabled, then due to the low input, transistor Q2 will be turned off. So this Q2 will be off and the output is nothing but this Q1 will on, and since the Q1 is on, the VCC is connected to the emitter point and the output will be high. So first state we have got here, that is nothing but the high state. Moving on to the second part, what will happen if the input is 1, that is input is logic high. Once again output enable is connected to logic 1, that is output enable is activated, due to which high input is there to the base, hence transistor Q1 will be turned off due to the internal circuitry and Q2 will turn on, and due to Q2 is turned on, the output pin whatever the present, it is shorted to ground or it is pulled down by Q2 to ground, hence the output will be low, that is nothing but 0. So output 1 or high, input 1 or high, for which the output is low. So this is second state what we analyze here, that is nothing but the low state with the tri-state device.